I'm back. Now when you are watching this, I actually did this ages ago. So just to let you know, I'm going out at night. When do you even let me? She did. In the private chat. I'm just gonna clear chat. And we have a fresh start for this video. And also we technically sort of sorted our chests out. Now I'm going out at night. Actually, I hate this idea. There is an egg really close to a zombie. Oh my god, in a second, those. Wanna get back in? Okay, killed that. It dropped some stuff. Now I'm going back inside. Oh, I'm just gonna tell. Oh god, I'm gonna. We can actually eat rotten flesh. Yes, we will eat rotten flesh. If we're dying of hunger. Okay, now where is the mine? Okay, so I said on second thoughts, I'm staying in. I wonder when Felicity's gonna be able to play with it. It's turning day, so. But I'm still gonna just see if I can get some I can find some diamond. Okay, now where is diamond? Anyway. I can see. I think he's the only thing. Wait, I need to go up. I think it's day. I'm just gonna go sort out. I just need to go. I'm just gonna. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna go out. And do some. She's coming. Yes, that chicken's still here. That chicken was here last night. I don't know if you saw it. Where's that egg? I think Wendy got the egg. I'm sorry, chicken. I'm gonna ask Wendy if we should. Okay. Wait. But I'm actually going to go venturing out. I found pork. I think Wendy left. And I'm just going to go venturing out looking for mystery boxes. Oh god, it's raining. Teleporting to Kitty Corn Wendy. And also, oh god. Right, quickly, disappear. Yes. Don't think this is going to be my thumbnail. But what? Oh god, let's just stay inside and do some mining. Doesn't that sound fun? Oh, Wait, I'm gonna get some wood. I think we need to. It's still raining, guys. Ugh. I'm just gonna craft 8 sticks, then I'm gonna make a ladder. Oh, good. And we're gonna do. I think we should. And we're gonna do. What? Bone block. Anyway, we're just gonna. Stone torch. Anyway, we're going. Where is the chicken? Where's the chicken farm though? Also, I'm just gonna. Oh, it stopped raining. Oh god. I don't even know where Wendy is, but I think Wendy's in the chicken pen. Now, where is the chicken pen? I'm just gonna eat some pork chop. And I'm gonna. Oh wait, the chicken pen's probably gonna be in the mine. Actually, I'm just gonna check in the mine. No. I'm gonna buy some seeds. I'm gonna buy. I just bought 10. Then I'm gonna buy a chicken spawn egg. Okay, now where is that chicken? Okay, there we go. Okay. We're gonna be doing ladder parkour, which is something that is not the funnest thing to do. She'll do it. Looking for. Oh god. Okay, that one's easier. I'm gonna actually hatch a chicken. Good. Well, when's it gonna... We need to wait for it to lay eggs, I guess. I'm just gonna feed it seeds. Come down here, chicken. Chicken. Second thoughts. I don't care. I'm just gonna give it back up. Ding, 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 ding. Oh. I'm gonna go lure a chicken in. I'm just gonna buy. I'm just gonna buy seeds. I'm just gonna buy. I'm just gonna buy 4. I got 8 seeds. Okay. I don't see any chickens. Why don't I see any chickens? I've got any in home. I'm gonna find another chicken and then lure it in home. But that's only on my way back home. Where are the chickens? I'm probably gonna lose hearts from that, so. Tell me if you see a chicken, guys. I mean, you can't tell me because this is going to be posted. So yeah, Wendy actually doesn't even know about I'm posting. So yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I can't find a chicken. Oh god, the sun's going down. Running into me. It's like it wants to be killed. That is very annoying. That was. I got 3 pieces of pork chop from there. I'm gonna just go. Okay, I'm gonna teleport to Kitty Corn Wendy. Bye guys, love you. Because I needed to teleport. Also, it was 14 minutes. Okay, Felicity. Maybe if you have a patch of grass, maybe animals will spawn. I got a few there. What? Did the chicken turn into a different color or? Are you sure it wasn't white? Why is it now black?